Hello guys, and what's up? Welcome back to this channel. And today we are going to talk about filament humidity and the way to dry and keep your filament dry. First of all, we have the filament humidity in the CFS here that can be reduced with drying agent, and you can see that I'm at 0% right now. And this takes around 500 to 700 grams of drying agent. I was already at 40 something, almost 50 when I put it in, and then it went all the way down to 0. Now, what do I have in there? I'm going to show you guys without opening it up. Or actually, I can just open up the whole thing to show you exactly what it is, and I'm sure the whole thing is going to go up. As soon as you unlock those two, it starts going up and then up and up. So the air is kind of humid in where I live, and this is what I put in. This huge tank, and is right on the Creality printing website. You can just go there and pick one for yourself and print it. Now, if you want to print it on the K2, and it's not one of the big version of the K2, and it's only the K2, you have to print it sideways like this, and then cut it into 3 plates. And that's what I did. It took some time, and is finally here. You can see that this thing went all the way up. It's really crazy. Now, beside this one that is in here, I also printed this that goes right under the filament. And instead of having those in a bag and put it in, I removed the whole cover and I printed one of these. It's also on the Creality website. When you go in the Creality app, you can just click on online resources and you'll find those two online, and you can print it yourself. After putting all the set back inside, you can see that we have 34 of humidity, 34% of humidity. That's huge, but it's going to start falling really, really fast because those drying agents are really good at what they do. They just suck away the humidity in the air and the whole filament is fine. And with that, I started having better printing results. Now, if you were like me and you did not think of doing that at first after receiving your printer, this was not the first thing you did. You started printing and having fun, and you did not think of humidity. Then you have to go all the way and buy one of these two. And I think this is already relevant of what is on the market right now that you can buy one of these two. And one of them is the Creality dryer here that you can see. We are going to unbox this, and this one here is just a typical one that you can buy online, and it's called 3D printer filament dryer box. Now, what's the difference between them? Okay, this one has a screen, a better screen. It looks more stylish. If you are into beautiful stuff, this has a better screen. But if you are into something that just works, this one will be better. Now, let's unbox them and show you the differences between the two. Let's start with the Creality. And with Creality, I'm really disappointed because they did not allow me to try this. They said, if you try it, you cannot return it. And I don't really need it. I just wanted to show the community what it is like, but they won't allow me to try and show the community. They were like, we don't want people to dry their stuff and then send it back. It becomes a scam. And okay, I understand, because some people will definitely do that. They'll definitely dry their stuff and then send it back. But I'm not one of those. And since I don't get to try it, I'll just show you guys what is in the box. This one can actually be used right away to feed the 3D printer. So that included 2 of these on it. And I think it's a dual one. Yes, I bought the dual one. I'm not going to use it anyway. I'm just sending it back because they already called asking, because I applied for sending back. They were like, oh, did you use it? And I had to tell them I did not use it. But I still want to show you guys. Still want to show you. Now, this is pretty basic, okay? It's not like something, wow, so beautiful or anything. It's just pretty basic. The only thing that it has that makes it special is here, this little screen here. Now we can fire this thing up, and then you can see the key here saying power on. I don't know. It's just a simple screen. It can actually work for a lot of things. ABS, PP, TPU, PLA, PLACF, PTGCF, PLACF, PT, PA, PC, PTG, ASA, ABS. Okay, so it works for a lot of things, and it's pretty basic. I thought it was going to be something crazy, but it's very basic, right? So you have the temperature over here and the level of humidity in the box over here. Now, I don't know if the box get locked or somewhere. Can you lock this box? Not really. There's no lock on it. There's no latch on it. There's nothing. It's just a box. Keys. For that price, I was actually expecting something better. No. This is really, really simple. Okay, now let's look at the inside. Okay, it uses air drying. And I think someone already used this because I can see some kind of dirt in it. It has this compartment here that you can fill with desiccant. I mean, for me, if I have to say, it's pretty basic. There's nothing in here. It's not like it's a CFS. If you were to buy one of these, it will only be for the purpose of drying. This is hand filled. It doesn't have anything that includes the software, reading right away what you want to do with this and helping you. Very, very basic and very annoying that they wouldn't let me try it. I don't know what's the return policy in your country with this Creality thing. But in here, if you use it, you can't send it back. So I'm not going to use this one. Now for the second one, this is much smaller, and this one, they don't really care if you use it. I used it a couple of times and I'm still going to send it back because I don't really need it. And they have a problem here. The whole thing is out, and I'm going to show you what kind of problem I discovered with this one. I don't know why they have this problem. All of them, they don't have any way of locking the door on. Look at this one. This is much smaller. It turns on too. Let me turn it on. And you will actually see that the difference between this one and the Creality is just the responsiveness and the fact that it's flashy. The Creality is much flashier. It has a hole up here too for outputting stuff. It's not a problem. Once you plug it in, you have this one on here. You just press on the on. The reactiveness is kind of weird. Inside that, we have a backlight and the same thing. The only way you can choose the material is by choosing set, and then with the set, you will change the material: ABS, PETG, PVA, nylon, PC. Okay, it's not moving anymore. So there are way less option on this one compared to the Creality one. The Creality one is double filament holder, dryer. This is a single one and it's called Printo type. So yes, there is a lot of limitation when it comes to this one. You know, it's only one and it has just a few of them, while the Creality one that is at $50 have like two and then has so many more, but I didn't see nylon. This one is quoted at $22. And I think with $22, and this one doesn't use hot air, is hot surface drying. And I use it multiple times, and that's how I succeeded on having a very good level of humidity on my CFS. I use them in here first, I dry them here, and then I toss them in the CFS with the desiccant, and it works pretty good. Now, which one I'm going to hold on to? I'm not sure if I'm going to hold on to this one because the Creality one offers way more stuff, and the price is pretty okay. This one is around 120 RMB, while the Creality is around 300 RMB. So when you put it in dollars, it's like if you buy two of these, you actually have the Creality. The Creality has way more support. I didn't see nylon, but I don't know. It's something to think of. Now, if I were to recommend one choice for you, I would recommend food drying devices, and I'll put that in the video here. You can see that here. Food drying devices can be used to dry up to 10 PLA or even 10 whatever you want to dry up filament. So instead of buying these, you can make your own. But if you insist on buying one, you have an option that is with the Creality here, the crazy one, the beautiful looking tool filament Creality here, or you can buy the single filament prototype here. And I believe all of those are online and you can just pick them up as you want. I'm still filming the video here and it took me around 15 minutes to finish talking and explaining what I wanted to explain. And the level of humidity is already at 3. So the desiccant is very important, but before the desiccant, be sure to really dry your filament with a dryer, maybe a food dryer, DIY made by yourself, or a dryer like the one sold here. And then you toss them in and you have the best result. With dry filament comes less trouble. Now. There is a reason why this, especially the color red, always get clogs, and I will show that in the next video as I show how to unclog it. The reason is not humidity only, it's also the temperature of the cage. If you like to see me make one of those DIY food dryer, filament dryer, please let me know in the comment and I'll be sure to buy the material and make the experiment right in front of you so we can admire how beautiful and how good DIY work can be. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content with your loved ones, your friends, and make the channel grow. Bye-bye.